YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to add the white flash effect on a clip in CapCut for Android. In this series, we'll be going over some basic video editing for CapCut. So if you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to add a quick white flash effect on your clip, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your timeline and make sure that you have the clip that you want selected for the white flash effect. From there, what you want to do is hit Video Effects in the Effects menu. So you first want to hit the Effects menu here at the bottom, and you want to hit Video Effects. From there, you want to select Classic, and then from there in the Classic category, you want to scroll down, and you'll be able to find the white flash effect, and you can see it's added on to the clip. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to add the white flash effect in CapCut on Android. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.